Welcome. Today we'll explore three fascinating electronic devices: the Tesla coil, the microwave oven, and the DVD player. Let's learn how each one works. First, let's look at the Tesla coil. A Tesla coil consists of two main parts: a primary coil and a secondary coil. The primary coil has fewer turns but thicker wire, while the secondary coil has many more turns of thinner wire. When powered, it creates spectacular electrical discharges through the air. Next, let's examine how a microwave oven works. Inside every microwave is a magnetron that generates microwaves. These waves cause water molecules in food to vibrate rapidly, creating heat through molecular friction. Finally, let's see how a DVD player works. A DVD stores data as microscopic pits on a reflective surface. A laser beam reads these pits, and the reflected light is converted into digital signals that become the video and audio we experience. These three devices demonstrate different applications of electromagnetic waves: high voltage electricity in Tesla coils, microwave radiation in ovens, and laser light in DVD players. Each has revolutionized technology in its own unique way.